Introduction. Digital marketing involves e-commerce, internet marketing, and mobile marketing. This unit opens with a discussion of Web 1.0 and the migration to Web 4.0, which is a new way of communicating and engaging consumers. After Web 4.0 comes a discussion of e-commerce programs followed by mobile marketing methods. We will also review information about strategies, online advertising methodologies, and search engine optimization. An important aspect of this unit is learning how social media has altered communications among individuals and between businesses and consumers. The basics of social networks are presented and the most popular social networking sites are described. Social media marketing strategies and tactics are explored. Here we will review some of the social metrics that can be used to evaluate a brand's social strategy, and briefly discuss some of the international issues with social media. Digital marketing. Web 1.0 contains static content provided by the creator of the site. It was dominated by businesses and was commercially and technically based. Web 2.0 moved to content that was socially based and generated by the audience. Web 3.0 advanced to the integration of content and communications with an emphasis on real-time communications. Sites were driven by online metrics. Web 4.0 focuses on customer engagement and cloud operating systems. Web participation is essential now. Selling goods and services on the internet is known as e-commerce. E-commerce consists of click-only operations that sell exclusively online and bricks and clicks that operate both retail and online stores. E-commerce is being conducted in both the consumer sector and the B2B sector. Online sales now account for nearly 7.5% of total retail activity. Many consumers conduct research online prior to making a purchase. Organic search results generate the highest percent of online sales, 26%, but retailer sites or apps are a very close second at 25%. Third is email marketing, 17%, and paid search is fourth at 16%. Social media generates only 2% of online retail sales. To create successful e-commerce sites, the focus is on e-commerce being customer-centric with opportunities for engagement and communication. The other main aspect is channel integration. Successful e-commerce are optimized for search engines. The design of the website impacts where a company or brand will appear on the SERP. In addition to content, web search crawlers look at page titles and title tags. Successful e-commerce are customer-centric. Customers should be able to easily locate merchandise. If the site has a large number of products, then a drill-down search function is needed. Search engines like unique product descriptions and penalize sites with thin and duplicate copy. Pictures are better than words. Optimal number of products is 4-6 per page. Successful e-commerce are mobile optimized with adaptive design, which automatically adjusts to the screen size. Mobile optimized designs have a higher conversion rate, 3.4% compared to 1.6%. About 50% of consumers making online purchases do so on mobile device. Research found that websites without adaptive design ranked lower on searches. E-commerce sites must be customer-centric and offer a consistent customer experience. With online shopping, consumers have nearly a zero tolerance for poor performance. Dissatisfaction results in lost sales. Especially important is the load time of pages and information. Second, channel integration is essential. If a company has offline catalogs, they must match its online catalogs. Ordering has to be available through multiple platforms, such as mobile phones and tablets as well as through desktop computers. Successful e-commerce provides opportunities for brand engagement. Blogs, reviews, and feedback mechanisms allow consumers to become involved with a brand. Reviews are an emerging trend in Web 4.0 and provide a way for customers to express their thoughts. They can serve as positive word-of-mouth endorsements. Visitors to a site appreciate personalization and customization of pages and information. Web 4.0 is characterized by websites with faster loading times as well as information more relevant to the browser. A high percentage of shoppers place items in a shopping basket, but never complete the transaction. Cyberbullying is any lure or attraction that brings people to a website. The various forms of incentives to encourage people to visit a website are finance, convenience, and value-based. These incentives are especially important for click-only businesses. Financial incentives can persuade an individual or business to make that first purchase. The most effective financial incentives are reduced prices, free shipping, and e-coupons. Convenience incentives make the online shopping experience easier and encourage return visits. Value-added incentives encourage customers to come back to an e-commerce site and change purchasing habits long-term. Value-added incentives lead consumers to change purchasing habits over the long term. The goal is to provide a unique experience or unique opportunities that cannot be obtained in a retail store or at other websites. Offline advertising needs to be integrated with the e-commerce sites. What is seen in a TV or print ad needs to be seen on the website. The percent of the population currently using smartphones is 60% and growing rapidly. Smartphones are used as social interaction devices, to search for product information, and as a means of shopping. QR codes have become an important part of marketing and allow consumers to access sites via QR codes. Mobile marketing differs from other media that provides marketers with opportunities, but also challenges. Mobile devices are personal, and typically used by only one individual. This provides an opportunity to engage with the individuals. Embedded GPS technology allows for geolocating of marketing messages based on a person's location. Individuals use mobile phones to share photos and videos, and communicate with others. Brands can take advantage of these features. Phones now have voice recognition and number of sensors that can monitor the temperature, human gesturing, and other activities. Mobile apps either engage consumers with the brand or streamline the business transaction that occurs. Globally, consumers download 32 billion apps per year. Another form of mobile marketing is using action codes, such as QR codes, watermarks, and 2D barcodes. These action codes are designed to engage the consumer with the brand in some manner, such as accessing a website or watching a video. As society has shifted from desktop computers to laptops, tablets, and smartphones, marketers have adapted to these multi-screen formats. This has created challenges as well as opportunities for the various digital marketing strategies. Interactive marketing is the development of marketing programs that create two-way communications and enhance engagement of consumers with a brand. The Internet is the ideal medium for interactive marketing. It can track activity, where a person goes and what they do. It can personalize messages. The emphasis of interactive marketing is twofold: to target individuals and to engage consumers. Content marketing is not self-promotion or trickery to generate sales. It focuses on providing information and solutions that are important to consumers that are authentic. Content marketing should provide shareable content. It should be integrated with the website content. It needs to enhance search results and integrate with the social pages of the brand. It is vital that content is updated regularly. Rather than create branded content, a brand may sponsor a blog or related websites. The same keys to success are important. Information needs to be shareable and relevant to consumers. There is a potential for negative reaction if consumers see the sponsored content as self-promotion or just a venue for pushing sales. Native advertising is always on a third-party website and the goals are to generate sales, increase brand awareness or engagement. While it looks like an article, the tone is to solve a problem through purchasing the brand. Location-based advertising, often called geotargeting, utilizes the GPS on mobile devices to send targeted messages to individuals based on their geographic location. Restaurants and retailers are investing dollars into this form of mobile marketing. Targeting by DMAs is a broad approach reaching a high number of consumers with a specified DMA. Geofencing targets individuals within a short distance of a retail location. Audience data targeting adds information about consumers to the geographical location information. GeoAware uses real-time location information to target individuals close to the retail outlet. Remarketing involves sending an ad to a person's computer or mobile device based on his or visit to the website. The visit shows the individuals has some level of interest, which results in a higher conversion rate. Individuals who abandon shopping carts are excellent to target this way. Behavioral targeting uses web data to identify and create targeted advertising messages. Behavioral targeting can be based on pages a person has visited on the internet. It can be based on keyword searches an individual has typed into a search engine or content that has been read. Behavioral targeting can be based on the browsing behavior of other visitors. Blogs are online musings, written content put on the web for others to read. Some blogs permit visitor comments, others do not. Blogs provide a venue for people to talk online and can generate considerable online buzz, especially for hot topics. Having a company-sponsored blog reassures shoppers and gives them a glimpse of how the company deals with customers. It is an avenue for the company to release new information and for customers to voice opinions. Most importantly, the company controls the website and has an opportunity to respond to complaints. It is important to be honest and not suppress negative comments. Email is an important component of digital marketing. It can be easily integrated with other channels of communication. It can resemble information that is posted on the website. Email campaigns offer the advantage of having web analytics for an analysis of effectiveness. Web analytics can be used to measure how many people visit a website, where they go on the site, how long they stay at each place on the site, and who abandons the shopping cart before making a purchase. By using web analytics, companies can target specific individuals, such as those who abandon their shopping carts. These targeted emails have a much higher conversion rate. Companies have several options in terms of email marketing. Mass emails are not successful. They must be targeted. Behavioral targeting can be based on a person's browsing history, demographic characteristics, abandoned shopping carts, and past purchases. Dynamic web cropping involves placing live snippet of content within the email. Email marketing can be around special events, such as hunting season. It can be based on weather, using GPS technology. Geotargeting involves sending an email based on a person's geographic location. Web advertising is effective if ads are placed on the right websites, and the messages resonate with individuals. It is an excellent method of reaching consumers who tend to be younger, more affluent, and internet savvy. Budgets for online advertising have increased in recent years and will continue to increase. One reason for the shift to online advertising is the metrics available to measure results. Online metrics provide almost instant measurements of results. Because of the different platforms now being used by consumers, web advertising should incorporate a multi-screen approach. The first online advertising was banner ads. It still accounts for 22.6% of online advertising. The first ads were very basic ads that looked very much like billboard ads. With advances in technology, the current banner ads are more sophisticated. Companies can embed videos and widgets into the banner ads. Targeted display ads can be created that will appear only to certain people who match a particular audience profile. Auction exchanges now exist that do instant bidding for a targeted ad that is sent to a consumer in almost real time. Widgets are many applications embedded in banners. The widget can access external content. It can provide personalized access to information that resides outside of the banner ad and even outside of the website. When clicked, widgets will often take individuals to microsite landing pages designed for that widget and that brand. These landing pages can even be geo-targeted where different individuals will be taken to different microsites based on their geographic location. More advertising dollars have shifted to online, but consumers have become more immune, resulting in a response click-through rate for banner ads of 0.27%. To improve response rates, Advertisers are targeting individuals using web metrics. Third-party tags have increased dramatically, 267%. Three primary reasons for poor response rates and ads not being seen. 1. Ads are below the fold and browsers have to scroll down to see them. 2. Consumers are using software to block ads. And 3. Fraud. Malicious software and bots can be used to create impressions that ads are being seen when they are not. Brand reputations and brand loyalty require integrating offline and online advertising. Brand spiraling involves using traditional media to promote and attract consumers to a website. Magazine ads appear to be better for driving web traffic. A current trend is to use PURLs, personalized websites, which allow for a personalized page on a website. The largest category of online expenditures is now for search engine optimization, SEO. About 41% of online advertising is for SEO. About 80% of web traffic begins with an online search, so having a presence in that search process is important. SEO can be reached in three different ways. First, with paid insertions. Advertisers pay to have their website appear as the result of a search. The second method involves using paid search ads that will appear on the page. Third, natural or organic emergence. This is the best method because it is natural and the result of engine's algorithms. It takes time to be near the top of natural or organic search results, but the method yields the best results. Search engine optimization is effective for local businesses. Organic results on a first page tend to yield 9-fold results, while second and third page results yield 6-fold results. Sales from first pages are 42% higher the first month and 100% the first 2 months. For paid search ads, unaided awareness is higher, -20% more likely to have a positive perception of a brand and 30% more likely to consider a brand on the next purchase. SEO advertising typically has a click rate of 5%, compared to 0.2% for online ads. A major advantage of digital marketing is that it can be global. It doesn't matter where the customer is or where the company is located. But, a number of e-commerce businesses do not take advantage of global customers. Shipping can be an issue. It may be difficult and expensive to ship a product to Japan or India. Communication can be an issue, although many people can read English. Technology is important to consider. Videos that play well with broadband connections may not work well in other countries with slower speed. Social media. Social media is any digital tool or venue that allows individuals to socialize on the web. A social network is a social structure of individuals or organizations that are tied together in some manner. Social media marketing is the utilization of social media and social networks to market a product, company, or brand. General social networking sites are broadly based and are designed to appeal to all demographics. Facebook is an example. Niche social networking sites focus on a specific topic, hobby, interest, or demographic group. LinkedIn is an example of a business niche site. Subcategories of niche sites include business, family and lifestyle, dating, special interests, hobbies, and shopping. Social bookmarking sites allow individuals to share bookmarks of their favorite websites. Facebook is the largest social media networking site with more than 1.2 billion users worldwide. In terms of advertising, Facebook generates $10 billion per year and captures 73% of social media advertising dollars. Facebook now allows custom audiences targeting, which allows marketers to gather information a company's website then use that to target specific individuals on Facebook. Demographically, teens are deserting Facebook, a decline of 25% in the past 3 years. At the same time, the number of seniors, 55 and older, has increased 80% to 28 million. Usage is concentrated on a small percentage. Only 10% update their status daily, 4% more than once a day, and only 15% make comments daily. Instagram is a mobile photo and video sharing website owned by Facebook. It has 200 million plus users, 60% who tend to visit daily. Users tend to be young, wealthy, and female. Popular marketing tactics include photo and/or video contests and the crowdsourcing of photos. Consumers are also uploading personal photos wearing branded clothing. These are then uploaded to a brand's page or links are provided from the brand's website. Twitter is a microblogging service that allows individuals and companies to send tweets with a maximum of 140 characters per message. Approximately 41% of users are minorities, with African Americans the largest minority group. The number of Hispanics is also high. Twitter can be an effective tool for brands to reach consumers with a message. It can also be used to listen to what consumers say about a brand. Twitter can be an effective means of marketing for small businesses. It is pushing sales. It is important to respond to customer comments, both good and bad. Brands should avoid total automation as this will soon become evident to followers and will lose credibility. Pinterest is a bulletin board-style social networking site with over 70 million users, 70% of which are females. Popular topics are fashion and food. Recently, YouTube was expected to have more views, likes, and shares than Facebook or Twitter. The previous slide highlighted the current trends in video sharing. Consumers produce the vast majority of videos on YouTube. For instance, for CoverGirl and Revlon, 99% of videos viewed are fan-produced. A new trend is consumers recreating broadcast ads, such as the Swiffer ads. Some follow the script of Swiffer, others create a variation of the script. Rather than access websites or technical support, many consumers access YouTube to watch how-to videos and repair videos. Brands must monitor fan-created videos. Companies may want to support positive videos. Negative videos may require a response, or they can serve as learning tools. Posting videos on YouTube and other video sharing sites has grown tremendously in the last few years. This slide shows current trends in consumer video sharing. Consumers are uploading broadcast ads, especially TV ads, to the internet. Most are ads they like, but some are ones they dislike. Rather than writing a product review, consumers are posting video reviews. Consumers are recreating ads for popular brands or ads they find appealing. Consumers are posting videos on how to use products or how to repair products. Recently, videos of real-time events are being posted. Most do involve brands, but occasionally they do. Lastly, consumers are creating branded videos highlighting their personal experiences with a brand. There are many reasons companies become involved in social media marketing. The primary reasons are to engage fans and increase brand exposure. If increasing sales is a major reason, the social media marketing strategy is likely to fail. It can be a way to generate leads, increase traffic, and develop loyal fans. Such actions can be enhanced by creating an avenue for customer interaction. If done correctly, a brand's image can be enhanced. Social media can drive traffic to a website by providing the URL in social media content. For business to business operations, social media can generate leads that can be followed up by sales staff. To enhance a brand's image, social media must do more than offer communication opportunities. Brands must solve consumer problems, provide information, and offer insights into product usage. According to J.D. Powers, online interactions impact brand perceptions, either positively or negatively. So media can boost organic search rankings in two ways: 1. Brand name mentions in social media, and 2. Content or comments in social media that fit search terms. In the first case, search engine algorithms examine brand mentions in social media as part of determining search rankings. In the second case, the quality of search results is enhanced if the comment or content fits the search terms. Customer intelligence involves social listening or listening to social chatter. It provides insight about customer thoughts, both negative and positive. Most comments are honest and reveal what individuals think. Occasionally, social buzz requires a brand reaction, such as the case with General Mills. A Cheerios ad featured a mixed-race marriage. When posted to YouTube, the ad received a large number of views and some negative, racist comments. General Mills believed these comments represented a minority, so disabled the comment feature, but did not discontinue the ad. Social listening allows a firm to react to negative comments made by individuals. Social listening can be used to detect problems with the product. It can also be used to gather ideas for branded content because it will show problems people are facing. Social listening can be used to detect consumer behavior patterns or shifts in consumer views and to predict trends. Lastly, social chatter can identify brand advocates, individuals who really love a brand. One purpose of social listening is to locate brand advocates. The majority of customers do not make comments about a brand on social media. Nearly all social buzz is generated by 4.7% of fans. Some say it is 20%, but the idea is that a small percentage generates most of the buzz. These brand advocates should be recruited. Characteristics of brand advocates are behavioral commitment to the brand, emotional connection to the brand, and quality communication skills. Increasing sales and building brand loyalty should be secondary goals of a social media marketing program. Engaging consumers with the brand should be the primary reason. A study by Coca-Cola found no relationship between social buzz and sales. But, for mega brands like Coca-Cola, social media is not an option, it is a must. A study by McKinsey & Company found negative buzz about a telecom company caused an 8% decline in sales. L'Oreal provides a good example of successful social media marketing. The goal of the brand's social media program is to keep in touch with customers in each step of the purchase decision. To maximize the impact of the social media effort, L'Oreal uses a three-part strategy. First, different marketing strategies and different Facebook pages are used for each country. Each country is unique, so requires a different approach. Second, L'Oreal creates content that leads to social conversation. The company will ask questions, provide beauty advice and ask customers to share stories. Third, social media works best both before and after a purchase. Social interaction is the primary purpose of social media. Marketers realize that this social interaction provides opportunities if approached properly. This slide highlights current strategies being used. Because of the newness of social media, companies are still developing strategies and experimenting with different marketing programs. Just as plants grow from seeds, marketers can plant seeds that consumers will then share with others. Financial incentives are the most common and have the best track record of working. Coupons, rebates, and contests are often used. Occasionally, a mistake can be a seed for a brand. Assurance purchased an ad after the Super Bowl for $3.5 million. Held a contest offering $1.5 million. Value-added incentives used by brands include some type of exclusive information or benefit. Real-time marketing is the creation and execution of an instantaneous marketing message in response to or during a live event. It began as a legitimate strategy in the 2013 Super Bowl when Oreo cookies sent out a tweet during a blackout. Now brands have war rooms where company experts gather during a live sporting event. War rooms look for opportunities to create and send out marketing messages. To be successful, however, there needs to be upfront strategic planning as well as policies and rules governing real-time marketing messages. A natural event, such as a snowstorm, can also be used for real-time marketing. Video marketing has increased in popularity. About 58% of U.S. population watch videos and 75% of Internet users watch digital videos. Spending on video sites such as YouTube is now at $4.6 billion, growing at a rate of 20% to 40% per year. Individuals watching digital videos are more receptive than individuals watching TV ads, and they watch the ad longer. Video ads that are pre-rolled have a higher level of impressions and is good to enhance brand recall. Mid-roll ads have the highest completion rate and are good to enhance brand recognition and brand image. Post-roll ads have a higher click-through rate and are good for direct response ads and ads with a call to action of some type. Because most brand content is ignored, brands are using influencer marketing, where individuals post positive comments and information about brands. It is important to match opinion leaders with brands where the brand message is aligned with an influencer's motivation. Number of followers not always a key to success. Most important is if they lead conversations and shape opinions. To be effective, influencers must be seen as authentic. The internet provides a platform for consumers to vent their feelings. In the past, a dissatisfied customer told 12-15 friends and relatives. Now he or she can tell thousands or even millions via social media. Satisfied customers also have the opportunity to share their feelings. Interactive blogs allow visitor comments. By doing so, brands have a higher level of risk since they cannot control what individuals post. Decisions do have to be made, however, on how the brand will handle negative comments. A number of companies have developed blogs for their customers and consumers to visit. Having a company-sponsored blog reassures shoppers and gives them a glimpse of how the company deals with customers. It is an avenue for the company to release new information and for customers to voice opinions. Most importantly, the company controls the website, so it has an opportunity to respond to complaints. It is important to be honest and not suppress negative comments. Personal blogs can be sponsored by a brand. New FTC regulations require that if a blog is being sponsored by a brand, the blogger must reveal this information on the blog. Since the blog is sponsored by a brand, bloggers have limited freedom to make comments if they want to retain the sponsorship, and visitors' comments are also often tempered. Blogs where individuals that speak about a brand have the most freedom for bloggers as well as visitors. These blogs can be a good way for a brand to learn what people think. Brands can also post comments or ask questions. Consumer-generated reviews have grown in popularity. The leader is Amazon.com, which provides reviews on most books and items sold. Amazon encourages customers to write reviews for other customers. Best Buy also offers customer reviews on various brands. Customer reviews are a good way to reach early adopters. Customer reviews can have some negative implications if a company or brand receives negative reviews and low star ratings. This information can be used for developing marketing plans, modifying products, and creating service strategies. Customer reviews have driven companies to focus more on consistent product quality. Viral marketing involves passing along a marketing message to others in some way. It can be through an email or on a blog. It is a form of word-of-mouth endorsement. Viral messages can be advertisements, hyperlinks to promotions, online newsletters, streaming videos, or games. To create successful viral marketing programs requires a focus on the product or business. Viral marketing needs to be related in some way to the brand. The business must seriously think about why individuals would want to pass the message along. What makes the message unique or different? It has to be fun and cause a person to say, "I've got to send this to my friends." They have to see it. An incentive can be offered, but that does not always work because it is seen as a sales trick. The viral message should be personal in some way. It is important to track results and analyze the data to see what worked and what didn't, and what people did with the viral message. The top 2 reasons consumers follow a brand are to keep up with the brand's activities and to learn about new products and services. Sweepstakes and promotions can entice some consumers to follow a brand. Fans of a brand may provide positive feedback. If someone likes a brand, they may follow it in social media to interact with other fans and to make purchases. Customers who have had a poor experience typically do not follow a brand but may complain about the brand in social media. Social media is worldwide with users from almost every country. Facebook has more users outside the United States. Companies face 3 challenges: language differences, social norms, and technological issues.